Avoiding common gardening mistakes can help ensure a successful and enjoyable gardening experience. Here are 11 mistakes to watch out for and avoid. Neglecting sunlight requirements. One of the most common mistakes is not providing plants with the right amount of sunlight. Different plants have different sunlight needs, so make sure to place them in appropriate locations based on their requirements. Overwatering or underwatering. Both overwatering and underwatering can harm your plants. Learn the specific watering needs of your plants and water them accordingly. Use well-draining soil and consider using a moisture meter to gauge when to water. Planting too deep. Planting your seeds or seedlings too deep in the soil can hinder their growth. Follow planting depth recommendations on seed packets or plant labels. Ignoring soil health. Failing to improve and maintain soil health can limit plant growth. Test your soil for pH and nutrient levels and amend it as needed. Adding organic matter like compost can greatly improve soil quality. Not planning for growth. Plants grow, and it's important to consider their mature size and space them accordingly. Crowding plants can lead to competition for resources, and overcrowded gardens are more susceptible to disease and pests. Neglecting mulching. Mulching helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and reduce weed growth. Not using mulch can result in more work and water usage. Skipping pest and disease prevention. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests and diseases. Early detection and prevention are key to minimizing damage. Use organic or chemical solutions as needed. Over-fertilizing. Excessive use of fertilizers can harm plants, leading to nutrient imbalances and potential damage to roots. Follow recommended fertilization guidelines for your specific plants. Pruning at the wrong time. Pruning at the wrong time of the year can stress plants and reduce their flowering or fruiting potential. Research when and how to prune your specific plants. Forgetting about weeding. Weeds compete with your plants for resources, including water and nutrients. Regular weeding is essential to maintain a healthy garden. Impatience. Gardening requires patience. Don't be discouraged by slow growth or setbacks. Plants take time to grow and flourish. Enjoy the journey and the learning process. By avoiding these common gardening mistakes and learning from your experiences, you'll be on your way to becoming a successful gardener. Gardening is a continuous learning process, so don't be afraid to ask for advice, read gardening books, or join local gardening groups to enhance your knowledge and skills. If you find this information helpful, do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.